It's time to build your tax deed auction field kit so that you can go into the field to the tax deed auction prepared like a pro, so you don't get out there and realize you're missing something that's going to cause you to miss out on some vital data that will lead you to stall on your decision of whether or not to pull the trigger on a property. So we're going to get you prepared like a pro and not go into this like a rookie. So this is exciting, right? With tax deeds, what I love about it is you can buy property 80-90% below market value, often mortgage free. It wipes out the mortgage because remember, the tax deed is the priority deed. Now, one of the big challenges with tax deed investing is most people don't understand how it works. They think maybe it sounds too good to be true, or they say, oh, if it's so good, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, a lot of people don't do it is because there's 3,300 counties. Half of them are lien counties, half of them are deed. Every county's like its own kingdom and does things just a little bit differently. Okay, so if you're new to tax liens and deeds, this is the week to start taking action. Folks are scooping up record amounts of deals in a real estate market that's competitive. Okay, this is your time to get money, to make money in real estate through tax liens and deeds. So with the deeds, you want to build your toolkit. So here's some things that you want to go. You probably have most of this stuff already, but you're going to put it in a toolbox or bag when you're looking at property. One of the first things, you want to have a flashlight. You know, you might need to see in windows or around corners or into the basement or under the deck. Flashlight. A lot of your phones has that. Without saying a camera, your phone has that these days, but if you don't, bring a point and shoot. The next thing, if you really want to be ninja, we often like to bring a drone. So we'll fly the drone up, maybe if we can't see around. You want to bring a measuring tape, a notepad, okay? You want to bring batteries and chargers. Make sure you have the phone kit. You want to get one of those things that puts the phone on the window so that you're not holding the phone, okay? The other thing you want to put in that kit is maybe a navigator. A navigator can help a lot. You know, wingman, friggin' Maverick and Goose, cruising, looking at properties, having a good time. It really is a fun time going to these sales. So those are some important things, okay? We're going to go into more in a minute. Some big ones, some very important ones, all right? So if you're tuning in, I'm Dustin Hahn, specializing in tax liens and deeds. I love this business. It's changed my life. I help people use this business to change their life, to become real estate investors, to be able to enter the real estate market that's totally crazy and stupid right now and get crazy deals, earn 18 to 36% with tax liens and deeds. So if you like the channel, if you like the content, shoot this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, family. Make sure to subscribe. For anybody that watches my channel and subscribes and likes my stuff, I give a totally free mini course called the ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing, 100 Tax Lien and Deed Facts You Must Know. And this thing is an on-demand free training. Get a deal in 30 days or less, Tax Lien and Deed Investing 101. I've sold this thing over 50,000 times and now I give it away. This same training has literally created dozens of millionaires. If you click the more info button in the description below, you'll be able to check it out, grab a copy of it, and it will drastically help you. No credit card, nothing like that, okay? Next thing you want to be doing, you're going to be on the road. You're going to be looking at properties. So if you're going to travel to a deed sale, you could be on the road looking at properties for, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Depends how ambitious you are. So you're going to make sure you want to have some water, some snacks, not that sugary stuff that's going to make you sleepy. All right. You want to be in good shape. You want to periodically stop, stretch, get out of the vehicle. You want to have a first aid kit. Maybe you step on a nail or you cut yourself looking at property. You want to make sure to have like bug spray, sunscreen, wear a hat. If your hair's deciding to temporarily not be there, a hat's going to help. You don't want to burn your head, right? From here, you want to pay attention to things. Safety first. Look for wires sticking out of the property. Look for cracks in foundations. Look for pests like termites, things like that. You want to bring a screwdriver, a multi-tool, a screwdriver, a Leatherman, something like that. You want to maybe bring a plumber's snake, something like that. I like this thing, which I had in the thumbnail. It's like a cool massager. I bring this thing everywhere with me. And this thing is awesome. Do your neck, maybe you're driving. You can have your co-pilot or spouse just hit this thing. This is like $30. Friggin' awesome. Awesome tool. Alleviate the aches and pains. Very, very well spent. I highly recommend it. Even if you're not driving property, that's what we call it. Driving property, very important here. And just use common sense, okay? when you're looking at these properties, if it's occupied, don't be a creeper and just pull up and park there and start taking pictures, okay? I coined the term a drive-by shooting. Not like that, like camera photography, shoot a picture. And if there's someone in the house, you just cruise by, just snap a couple pictures. That's the best you can do, okay? Another tip is when you're cruising properties, don't look like friggin' super suspicious, like you have an agenda. You're just gonna look weird, you know? Locals can spot that. They know, you know, somebody cruising real low, maybe in a car that doesn't fit in the area. Don't be suspicious. Be cool about it, you know? If you see people, wave, you know, pretend you're in your own neighborhood. Like, if you see, it's very disalarming. I'm not sure if that's a word, but like you see somebody, you know, you're driving, you just wave to them, you know, like, yeah, hey, you know, belong here. They're going to wave back, and if they don't want to be rude, they think, oh, do I know this person? I don't quite know. And then they forget about you and on with your day, versus being that person who's just like driving like friggin' bug-eyed, camera out, you know, stuff like that. Don't be that person, all right? Use some common sense, which these days, you know, in this modern world, is not quite that common anymore. That's how you know you're growing up, when you start to complain about, oh, everybody's on the internet, everybody's on their phone. Ironically, where you're probably watching this. But use that common sense, build your kit, okay? Hopefully you're taking notes. This business can change your life. You just need to take action. You need to believe in yourself. It's not too good to be true. Everyone thinks, oh, if this business is so good, why isn't everybody doing it? Not everybody's doing it because it's kind of hard, okay? You got to take some action. There's uncertainty. It's not a traditional way of making money in real estate because there's 3,300 counties. Every county's a little bit different. And it's going to be hard. You might go through some ups and downs. But what I can tell you is there will be people who watch this video today who buy, say, an over-the-counter deed, who make this work, who use this business to change their life, to quit their job, retire their wife, put their kids through college, leave a legacy. This is the business to do it. So you're in the right place at the right time. If you want my help with it, you can go ahead. There's a link below. You can also book a call and speak with either me or my team, and we'll help you get this business off the ground. It's a free call. You know, we can decide if maybe there's a fit to work together. If not, no big deal. You can also, like we mentioned, grab the ABCs of tax lien and deed investing. This mini course will show you exactly how to start, okay? It's changed many folks' lives. So ask a question in the comments. If you have a question, it helps me come up with new topics and things like that to help you as a new investor. And I'm just here to let you know that it's possible to do this business. I'll do my best to educate you. Make sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.